Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sync Microsoft Word across devices. Let's get started. So, open up Microsoft Word application. To sync properly, all of your devices must use the same Microsoft account. So on each device, all you have to do is simply open up the Microsoft application, tap on this little icon, then simply tap on Sign In. Now enter your email, phone number or Skype ID, then click Next and then finish signing up. If you are already signed in, just make sure it's the same account everywhere. After that, you can turn on OneDrive Sync. Word uses OneDrive to sync document automatically. So inside here, simply tap on File, tap on Open, and just like that, simply tap on Add a Place or Manage Storage. Make sure OneDrive account is added and then turned on. If it's not added, you can simply tap on Add a Place and then sign in to your OneDrive. After that, to sync document, they must be saved into OneDrive, not just locally. So simply tap on Files, then tap on Save As. Now select OneDrive right over here and then save your file there. Now all changes will sync automatically across devices. If syncing is not working, your OneDrive storage may be full. You can check the storage under Add a Place, then tapping on OneDrive. That's it. As long as you're signed in with the same Microsoft account and saving files to OneDrive, your document will sync automatically across all devices. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.